Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning with the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, a powerhouse designed to tackle even the toughest stains while supporting a great cause. With every purchase, you're helping save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. This cleaner offers up to 50% better cleaning with its HydroSteam technology, combining steam, powerful suction, and an OXY formula to remove set-in stains and oily messes from carpets, upholstery, and more. Choose from 3 cleaning modes: SteamWash for tough, oily messes, Steam for refreshing upholstery and cleaning tile and grout, and Wash for enzyme-based stains like pet accidents. Enjoy fast drying times, with upholstery ready to use in about 25 minutes, and take advantage of its multi-surface versatility to clean carpets, stairs, and auto interiors with the 5-inch tough stain tool. The dual tank system makes it easy to use, featuring a 64-ounce clean tank capacity and a large, easy-to-remove dirty tank. Plus, it includes the BISSELL Pet Pro OxySpot and Stain Urine Eliminator with Stain Protect formula for permanent stain removal and prevention, along with a 3-year limited warranty. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.